The present perfect tense expresses actions or events that started in the past and continue up to now. When talking about how long something has lasted, we use the word for followed by a duration of time, such as days, weeks, months, or years. Using for in the present perfect tense shows the duration of an action or state from the past until the present moment. It helps us focus on how long something has happened, rather than when it started or ended. For is used to describe the length of time an action has continued. For example, we say, I have lived here for 3 years. This means the living started 3 years ago and continues now. Here are some examples. I have lived here for 3 years, she has worked at the company for 10 months, they have been friends for a long time, and we have waited for 2 hours. Try filling the blanks with the present perfect and for. For example, I have lived in the city blank 3 years. She has worked here blank 5 months. They have been married blank a long time. Common mistakes include incorrect verb forms and subject-verb agreement. For instance, saying we has been friends is wrong. The correct form is we have been friends. The correct answers are, I have lived in this city for 3 years. She has worked here for 5 months. They have been married for a long time. We have studied English for 2 hours. He has waited for the bus for 30 minutes. Remember that the present perfect with for connects the past and present, describing durations that continue now. Always use have or has with the past participle form of the verb. Avoid errors in verb forms to communicate clearly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.